When I was working on creating the perfect day cream, there was 3 must-haves. Number 1 was age correction. I wanted to produce a cream that was going to reverse the look of aging, a cream that wouldn't let you down. Number 2 was protection. The biggest culprit for aging is sun damage. It doesn't matter where in the world you live, ultraviolet radiation from the sun is dangerous. It can burn the skin and over time can reduce the elasticity and cause you to age prematurely. Number 3 was robust clinical proof. My Perfect Day Cream is clinically proven to work. In clinical trials, wrinkle volume was reduced by over 20% in just 1 week. And for those looking to improve the texture of the skin, studies revealed that participants saw an improvement in the roughness of the skin by over 20% in just 28 days. I wanted a day cream that would deliver on its promise, and like all of our products, My Perfect Day Cream is tried, tested and true.